In this lesson, we will understand the calculated columns concept in DAX, and we will also see an example. Let's start. So calculated columns, consider them as virtual columns, okay, that is added to an existing table using data analysis expressions, that is DAX. You can easily perform calculations on existing data. You can also enhance your data modeling and relationships with it. These are the columns that you add to a data model in Power BI. These columns are computed from other data in your data model, allowing you to create new data points based on existing ones. They are created using formulas and are not considered a part of the original data source. Here are the features. You can add it to existing tables. It can be used in your filters also. The use cases: you can calculate profit margins, extract the date parts. Let's say you want to extract year from a date, you can do it with calculated columns. You can also combine text columns and also create custom categorizations. Now we will see an example. Okay, we will use DAX to add a new column to a table with the calculated columns concept. So let us load an Excel file first and work on an example for calculated columns. We will add a new column to our table. You can open Power BI from the desktop shortcut or go to Start, type Power BI, open it. Click blank report. Now click get data, Excel workbook, and this file we will use region.xlsx. Click open. Now click the location, and this was our file, column 1, column 2. Click load. Okay, you can see first it is not taking the columns. So what I'll do, I'll click on transform data. Now I'll click transform data here, and herein I'll click transform and use first row as header. Now here it is. Okay. Now we reached here, click apply changes. Now here it is. We have our columns here perfectly. So we transform the data also. Okay, now we will add a new column. We will right click here, location, and click new column. Remember, calculated columns are created and displayed in report view, data view, or model view by clicking the new column like this. Click on the new column. Now your formula bar will be visible. Here it is. Now column is equal to, I'll type like this. Now press enter. After that mention and. We are mentioning the comma here like this. And here mention the state. That's it. Now when you will press enter, it will create a new column. Press enter. And you can see the new column is visible. It's visible on the right also. The symbol is also visible. The column text in the formula can be replaced with whatever name you want for the new column. So here we mentioned column. This is your new column name. You can mention anything. We can also rename it later. Let's say I'll right click now and click rename here and type city state just to represent, and now we have renamed it. Now what you can do, go to visualizations pane like this, and here and click on the table. Here it is. Now here is your table, and just select the city state, and the table is now visible. Okay. You can click and go to here format visual. Go to visuals, and herein I'll increase the font size to, let's say, 13, so that it's visible. Okay. Here it is. Now you can save it. Click here. Okay, .pbx is the Power BI file extension. Okay, click save. Now it will save. Here it is, we saved it. So in this way, guys, we can work around the calculated columns concept to add a new column. Thank you for watching the video.